All right, welcome back. We are on lesson 3, the circuit playground, level 3. And so we are going to look at the on and off button. So using events, this program has 2 buttons. The on button works, but the off button still needs to be programmed. Do this. Add code so that the second button turns the LED off. Okay, so we have our comments in our code, which are really, really important because it tells us what's going on. So line 1, this code turns the LED on. So let's take a look at line 2. On event LED on, click function LED.on. So this is telling me that this button right here, the ID of this button is called LED on. So when I click the LED on button, it will make the LED on run. All right. So line 5, it says on event LED off, click function, add code so that the LED turns off. All right. So LED off, that's what this button is called. So let's go to circuit. Here we go, LED off. We're going to slide this over here and insert it into our code. And let's see what happens when we press run. So we're going to click run. All right, so you can see my little circuit board. The LED light is now off. So if I click on, it's on. And if I click off, it's off. All right, so we are now programming our boards and to do what we want them to do. So I think we've done everything we need to do for this lesson. You can keep playing with it if you want. On, off, on, off. And then when you're ready to move on, we're going to click the orange finish button, and I will see you on level 4. Here we go.